Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got a cool little package in the mail today. This is one that's the first time for me, and it's one of limited mintage. And so a few days ago I did a video on picking it up off of eBay from Modern Coin Mart and being able to get eBay bucks for it. And since I bought this original one, it's actually gone up in price on the website as well from where I bought it from. But I got it in pretty quick from when they said they were going to ship it. They said they're going to ship it yesterday, and I received it today, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this thing open. We'll go from this side. Over here, like so. Over here, like so. Go ahead and get my packing slip out of here. And obviously nicely packaged. This came from Monument Metals. Most of you familiar with Monument. I buy from them every once in a while. They're a good place to buy from. Never really did anything wrong. They've always sent me what I've asked for, so it's pretty cool. Good place to shop. So let's see what's in here. Wow, this is a pretty big package for such a small little item. But here we go. It is a piece of gold. Let me go ahead and get it out of here. Making some noise in there. Came in a capsule, but not a capsule that fits very well. Listen to that. It is the new, we'll look at the queen in a minute, is the new 2020 10th ounce Kookaburra. Let's take a look at this thing. Zoom it on in. Look at that beauty, huh? Australian Kookaburra. 1990 to 2020, so it's their 30th anniversary. And very small, you can see 1/10 ounce 9999 gold. So it's 4 nines, huh? That's a beauty. Yeah, 1/10 ounce of gold, huh? Very, very nice. Set it down here. See if I can zoom in a little further. I better push my camera down. Make sure we get a good view here. So yeah, those of you who have never ordered a 1/10 of an ounce, you'd be surprised how small it is. That's pretty tiny. Let me see if I can find a, well, here's a penny right here. Let's compare it to a penny. That's a pretty dinged up penny. I found this penny in a coin star machine, 1920, but definitely has a ding on it. So it's actually a little bit smaller than the penny because the penny's about the size of the case, and the case is bigger around than the gold coin is. Let me see if I can dig up a dime. I'm sure I must have a dime I can use around here, right? How about a mercury dime? Let's put that in there and compare the size. So that'd be about the same size. Actually, the dime I think is a little bigger. Let's put it on top of the case. It's about the same size. Yeah. I would actually say it's a little bit smaller than the dime even. So that's the thing you have to deal with when you buy a 1/10 of an ounce, is that they are small, but you know what? They are gold. This is 0.9999. As I said earlier, 4 nines pure gold. That would be 24 karat gold. There we go. That is it. That is the 2020 Australian Kookaburra. 1/10 ounce 999 gold. See it right there at the bottom. And then of course we have the queen on the other side, Elizabeth II. It's actually got a $15 face value. Can you see it right there? Oh, I hate zooming in and seeing my hands this big, but I want to see it. That's what we have to do if we want to see it. $15 face. Right underneath the queen there. So yeah, just thought I'd get a video out showing you guys for those of you that are waiting. If not, I believe it is still for sale. I just checked Monument Metals, and it is out there. It's about $5 more than what I paid for it. I paid $168. It's out there for $173, so it's already gone up. So it's already gone up in price about 3% since I purchased it. So, hey, it's not bad. 3% return in a week and a half. That's not too bad. And I suspect it's going to continue to go up as well, especially after the Mintage gets sold out. And actually, I'm kind of surprised it hasn't sold out. I know it's gold and I know it costs some money, but for fractional gold, $168 really isn't too bad. That's right around the price of an American Gold Eagle. And with the low mintage on it, I really thought it would sell out by now. But just because it hasn't doesn't mean it's not going to be going up in price later. So I thought it was worth the chance to buy it. Actually ordered another one with the eBay bucks, so we'll be getting that sometime in January, which was, again, a really good deal. I believe that worked out to $9 above spot for that one as well. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the presentation of this beautiful gold coin. 0.9999 pure gold. That would be 24 karat gold. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.